Good Green Deeds program is aimed at changing behavior towards things such as littering, where as South Africans we just scatter and throw litter all over wherever we walk, wherever we live, and whatever we do. This is something that we would like to undertake on the 8th of March on a whole-scale basis, where every South African is able to pick up a broom, a bag, and make sure that we clean up South Africa and make South Africa clean.
Well, it's a very noble cause and a way for humanity to sort of redeem itself, since we are the primary cause of pollution. So it takes a collective to actually make an impact on the statistic of littering and dumping.
I don't know, I feel like I can help in any way possible by also encouraging people to stop littering, of course, and also telling them about the animals dying, because I don't think a lot of people know that.
It's very important to go green, I think, to definitely save the planet, because we're definitely ruining it with our litter and all of that stuff. I don't know if this may work or may not work, but show like what the future will look like if we don't protect our environment.
Like there are diseases that are contained from pollution. Just like example, if you pollute water, a river whereby maybe khona abantu abahlala phambi kwalo bakha amanzi khona. Now if we do pollute that river as they use as their water source, they're gonna end up being sick because they drink from that, they brought from the same water, they cook from the same water. So it's like it plays a very huge role.